today I'm sharing a question on fraction, a P5 question. Okay, Jennifer bought 3 kilograms of sugar. This means the total amount of sugar that she bought is 3 kilograms, the total mass. Then she used half a kilogram of the sugar to bake a cake. And 1 out of 4, 1/4 of sugar to make cookies. So when you read the question, hey, there's 2 fractions inside, right? So whenever you read a fraction question, always open your eyes big. Is there a unit behind the fraction? What do you mean by unit? So the first one has a kilogram, half a kilogram. Half a kilogram, the kilogram is a measurement, unit of measurement. So what is a unit of measurement? So unit of measurement, kilogram measure what? Kilogram measure your mass. So this is what I call the unit of measurement. Okay. In your measurement topic, we learned that mass can be measured in terms of kilogram or gram. You have your length that is measured in terms of cm, meter, kilometer. Then you have your time measured in your second, minute, and hour. Okay. In this case, we are talking about sugar. So sugar is measured in terms of kilogram or gram. So what is 1 or 2 or half a kilogram? It has the same meaning as half of 1 kilogram. And we learned in P5 that of has a meaning of times. So half times 1 kilogram is the same as half times 1,000 grams. 1 kilogram, for those who have not learned it, 1 kilogram is actually 1,000 grams. Okay, so when you multiply this out, this is actually 500 grams. So half a kilogram is 500 grams. It's a fixed value. So I don't care what is the mass of the total packet of sugar that I buy. I only want to take 500 grams to bake my cake. And it's fixed. It must be 500 grams to bake my cake. Okay? So 500 grams, in other words, is half a kilogram. So it's fixed. You just have to take this portion out. I don't care how big the packet is. Okay. So look at the next fraction. 1 out of 4. When it's 1 out of 4, there's no units of measurement behind. There's no kilogram, there's no meter, there's no kilometer. Then this is a fraction of a set that we learned in P4. It's a fraction. A fraction of its own is a fraction, it's a proportion. So what do? We cut this fraction into 4 boxes depending on the denominator. We want one of the box to make cookie. This is to make the cookie. And we know that the total mass of the whole sugar, this is the total, is 3 kilograms. Okay, so we are taking one box out of the 4 boxes of the total mass of the sugar that we bought. Okay, so in this case, if we learn in P5, we can use the word of. Making use of the word of means 1 out of 4 of sugar is the same as 1 out of 4 times 3 kilograms to give you 3 out of 4 kilograms. So we know that the cookies that we are using is 3 out of 4 kilograms. We know that the cake is using half a kilogram. You want to find the mass left, right? So we will take the cake, the sugar, plus the cookie, using what you learned in P3 before, common denominator. Is your 2 to 4 and 3 times 2. You will get 2 out of 4 plus 3 out of 4 to give you 5 out of 4. Okay, so when you have a common denominator, you can put your numerator together. You can just add them up and get 5 out of 4. Okay, so we don't stop here. This is what you use. You want to find what is left. So we need to take the total 3 minus 5 out of 4. Okay, so what is 3? 3 means 3 whole. 3 whole, you can change it improper fraction by taking 3 times 4. 12 out of 4 minus 5 out of 4. Common denominator again. Okay, so do we leave your answer improper fraction? No, this is not the simplest form. Always remember to change it to mixed number and it must be in the simplest form. Okay, For those who are still not clear how this is being done, 3 hole means 3 circles. And these 3 holes means that all of them are cut into 4 because of the fraction behind. The denominator is 4. So I'm taking away 5. So I take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see the answer is 1 and out of 3 out of 4. 1 whole and 3 out of 4 kilogram. Okay? Okay, hopefully this helps those who are very confused with fractions. Please take note of this small little thing so that you will not get into this careless mistake of taking this as a proportion. You're going to find this as half of this 3 kilogram, and then you're going to find the answer your answer will be wrong. Okay? And please, you know that this is in half kilogram. It's the same as 500 gram. Do not change the question to gram unless the question asks you to do so. If not, just leave it in terms of fraction and solve in fraction, because usually this is a paper 1 question. There will be a line here with the units behind, and they will definitely be showing it as the kilogram. So you can't put your answer in gram also. Okay? So please don't change, because after you change, you need to change it back. There might be careless mistake if you do not change it correctly. Okay, that's all for today's question.